Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. Today we're going to unbox a pair of boot trees that I ordered at the same time as I ordered these boots. But I got these boots in February from Blazing Wonders. They're absolutely gorgeous. And the trees were impacted by the supply chain issues, right? Which we're all familiar with. So here they are. And I just want to point out how cool these are. Very, very clean. And just a wonderful quality of tree. And I'm going to pull these out and get the next pair. And Helen over at Blazing Wonders knows that I have some sizing issues occasionally, so she also included a couple of these as well to help. Right now I don't need them with the boots, but if my size changes again, then I definitely will. Now what I don't have is I don't have the little string for these, but that's no big deal. It's something I can absolutely get. So we're going to take this box out of the way here. And now we have this very cool boot tree. So let's take a look at how these work. So these boot trees are a little different. So I'm going to unlace the boots that I have right here. Okay, so I'm unlacing them. And now what I have in them today is a Woodlore boot tree, which is a very different boot tree all by itself. Okay, it pulls out. And you have the split toe here. All right, but I want to show exactly how a lasted boot tree will look. You see that? It's an exact form to it. So go ahead and we put it in. And you got to push it forward. And these, by their nature, are very tight. So now you got to get this into the hook in the back. Now we push the middle part in. Now I think I may have actually reversed that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this out. I'm going to see, you see this side is actually wider at the curve. So I'll put that in there. And now with this, I'm going to go ahead and slide that in. And now look at that. Especially when I lace this. This is going to provide much more support here as part of the boot. And all across here, there's absolutely no give. Because now it has a tree that's effectively, now there's a little bit of give right here where I've already stretched it, but where that is formed of the boot. This is actually formed to my size. All right, so we're gonna just take this, like so, and I'm not gonna do the speedy speed hook thing, but we'll do this. Get it tight, and now here you have a nice three-piece boot tree going on. So now we look at that compared to this. This is stretched out, it has it, but it here, right, this is in the other tree, that's all loose, not tight. Here, it's all perfectly tight. So that's why you use three-piece boot trees as part of your high-end boot collection. Thanks for watching.